लठ्ठे एजुकेशन सोसायटी सांगली, चंद्रनारायण बलदवा इंग्लिश स्कूल जयसिंगपूर, subject Geography, Standard 8, created by Mrs. D.S. Kiledar. Welcome back students. Today we are going to learn topic number 5, Ocean Currents. Formation of ocean currents. Ocean currents are formed due to the differences in temperature and density of seawater and planetary winds. Direction of ocean currents. The ocean currents flow in clockwise direction in the northern hemisphere and in anti-clockwise direction in the southern hemisphere. Alignment of the coastline also changes the direction of the ocean currents. Velocity. The velocity of ocean currents is around 2 km to 10 km per hour. The main type of ocean currents. Cold ocean currents and warm ocean currents are the two main types of ocean currents. The effect of cold and warm ocean currents. Cold ocean currents flow from polar regions to the equatorial region and warm ocean currents flow from equatorial region to the polar regions. Therefore, the ocean currents lead to the redistribution of water on the earth from the poles to the equator and from equator to the poles. On the basis of the depth, the ocean currents can also be divided into surface ocean currents and deep ocean currents. First one is surface ocean current. Surface ocean current is also known as horizontal ocean current. The ocean current found up to 500 meters of depth from the surface of the sea is called surface ocean current. The discharge of water in the oceans is measured in Savadrop unit. 1 Savadrop discharge means 1 million Cu.m or second discharge of ocean water. Effect of ocean surface current on human life. First one is effect on climate. Warm ocean currents increase the amount of precipitation and temperature in the coastal regions. For example, warm ocean currents flowing along with the coastal areas of Western Europe increases the temperature of coastal areas of Western Europe. Second effect on marine life. Due to the ocean currents, ocean water keeps moving. As its effect, marine life and its ecosystem is developed. Effect on fishing occupation. Extensive fishing grounds are developed at the meeting point of cold and warm ocean currents. Effect on water transportation. Dense fog at the meeting point of the cold and warm ocean current and movement of icebergs due to cold ocean currents are hazardous to the water transportation. Water transport carried along with ocean currents increases the speed and decreases the cost of fuel. Now we are going to learn second type, deep ocean current. The ocean current found below 500 meters of depth from the surface of the sea is called deep water ocean current. Deep ocean currents are formed due to thermohaline circulation. Deep water currents flow continuously like rivers below the surface of oceans. Generally, the surface water near Greenland and the continent of Europe moves in downward direction. At the depth, this water moves to the Antarctica. From Antarctica, this water moves to the surface. The deep ocean currents redistributes the water and it takes nearly 500 years to complete. This movement of water is also known as conveyor belt. Some importance of deep ocean currents. Deep ocean currents lead to movement of seawater on a large scale. Due to thermohaline circulation, the warm ocean water moves from the surface to the bottom and nutrient rich cold ocean water from the bottom to the surface. Do you know the giant iceberg brought by Labrador cold ocean current was responsible for the Titanic disaster? Thank you.